Hello everyone, welcome to the ATK Tech Integration. Today we are going to see about the BTP Integration suite WebIDE. Hopefully everyone has already been set up their SAP trial account. Once it is already been set up, let's start with this screen. This is the main screen where we are going to do our CPI work. This is the main screen of the CPI. When you will see this screen at the top left corner, you can see there is a 3 lines visible. Once you will click over there, it is basically a navigation through which you can collapse or open your navigation windows. When you will open it, you will find the discover, design, monitor, inspect, and setting is there. Let's go further and navigate to the discover phase. Discover is basically used by the SAP to provide the pre-packaged content, and the same we can utilize it for our development or for our configuration. When we will move on to the design, you will see there we have a different options available. This is the main screen. This is the main place where we are going to work for our development, where we are going to create our package, where we are going to create our artifacts. And once the artifact has already been created, this is the place through which we are going to deploy it into our tenant. Once the artifact has been deployed onto the tenant, we will go into the monitoring section through which we can able to monitor our deployed artifacts. So in the monitoring section, there is a different tiles available. There is a tile available: monitoring, message processing, manage integration content, manage security, manage stores, access logs, manage logs. So one by one, we'll go further and see what all these steps doing. There is a new feature incorporated within the BTP, that is the inspect. Through this help of inspect, we can able to monitor the system. That means health check can be done with the help of this inspect. Later on, once we will go further, there is a setting. In the setting is basically used for the runtime profile, transport management, and etc. But we are on to the trial account, so we don't have a lot of features enabled over here. So these are the different tools: discover, design, monitor, inspect, integration, which is there for our CPI development. These are the main features of the WebIDE. Now, let's come on to the development of the configuration using the SAP CPI. This is the way we are going to develop our CPI flow. In the CPI flow, one sender would be there. There can be a one or multiple sender, receiver can there be. Within that, there is an integration process in our integration flow. This is basically allowed to configure how the message is processed on the tenant. In between the sender and there is a multiple steps can be incorporated in between that allow to process message processing in detail, such as encryption, decryption, message transformation, and so on. Here at the channel level, we use any adapter that allow to configure the sender adapter, and at the receiver end, few of the channels will select and that allow to the receiver adapter. This is the way we are going to develop our CPI artifacts. Let me show you onto the trial account so that you can able to understand how the WebIDE is looking like. That I had already explained. You can see over here, this is the discover. Inside the discover, the integration is there. It's getting open. These are some of the pre-packaged which is already provided by the SAP. Then there come a design phase. Inside the design, we'll create our artifacts, our packages. It's getting open. It's taking a little bit time to open. So this is the design area where we will create our, this is the place through which we can create, or we can also import the packages or artifacts from the other tenant as well. Now here is the monitor sections. In the monitor, we do have a different tiles available: monitoring, message processing, manage integration content, manage security, manage stores, and access log, and manage logs. We'll see a step by step when we will be creating our artifacts. There is an inspects is also there that I explained earlier, that this is basically used for our health checkup purpose of the system. Open. Here is the screen for the health checkup of the inspects, and then in the integration is there. There you can see the runtime profile, transport system, custom tenant, etc. So these are the things. Thank you for watching. Please be with us, and later on, gradually we will work on to the CPI, iFlows and all. Thank you.